Hi, in this video, we will compare the features of ConvertBox and ClickMagick. So, first, we have ConvertBox. ConvertBox is an on-site messaging platform designed to capture leads, segment your audience, and deliver personalized offers to website visitors. With ConvertBox, you can use high-converting templates or build them from scratch, then create and customize everything to match your offer and website brand with drag-and-drop simplicity. We collect more data with multi-step forms. Target the right visitors at the right time. Track everything in real time with detailed analytics. Split test your message and see exactly what works. Designed to maximize conversions on all devices. Manage ConvertBox across all your sites from one simple dashboard. Seamlessly integrate with all your favorite marketing tools. ConvertBox take simple 2-minute installation on any type of website. The ConvertBox also gives you a special offer for a one-time payment. Secure your lifetime account with no ongoing fees. Now, let's move on to the ClickMagick. ClickMagick is a link tracking and attribution tool designed for marketers. It helps you track the performance of your marketing campaigns by providing insights into where your clicks are coming from and what actions users are taking after clicking on your links. ClickMagick provides the features of indisputable click and ad tracking, cross-device tracking, phone and offline sales tracking. In optimization, ClickMagick provides you audience stats and reports, audience optimization, and a complete visitor profile. ClickMagick also provides bot and click fraud protection feature. Also provides a full-stack affiliate marketing platform with every tool you need to gain a competitive advantage and scale commissions. You can also invite your team members and share stats for specific campaigns or tracking links with anyone. If you want to use ConvertBox and ClickMagick, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.